Have you ever wondered what occurs when the unthinkable happens while cruising at 35,000 feet? Imagine a passenger attempting to open the emergency exit, a bird clinging to the wing, or someone spotting a mysterious figure aboard an empty plane. These are just a few of the 20 mind-blowing airplane incidents that leave us questioning reality. Stay tuned as we uncover the answers to these baffling events only on Eagle Discovery. The Miracle on the Hudson, a life-saving emergency landing. On January 15, 2009, U.S. Airways Flight 1549, an Airbus A320, had just taken off from LaGuardia Airport in New York City and was en route to Charlotte Douglas International Airport when disaster struck. Just 3 minutes into its climb, the aircraft struck a flock of Canada geese, causing both engines to lose power. With no other airports nearby, Captain Chesley Sully Sullenberger and First Officer Jeffrey Skiles faced a daunting challenge. After assessing the situation, they decided to attempt an emergency water landing in the Hudson River. The crew's calmness and professionalism under pressure were crucial in preventing a tragedy. Captain Sullenberger instructed the passengers to brace for impact, and the aircraft safely touched down in the river. Remarkably, all 155 people on board survived, and the plane, which was partially submerged, was quickly evacuated. Rescue boats rushed to the scene and retrieved everyone safely. The National Transportation Safety Board praised the crew's decision-making and hailed the landing as an example of exceptional skill and leadership. The aircraft was later displayed at the Sullenberger Aviation Museum in Charlotte, North Carolina, symbolizing one of the most miraculous moments in aviation history. The story was adapted into the 2016 film Sully, directed by Clint Eastwood, where Tom Hanks portrayed Captain Sullenberger, helping to immortalize the incident. A mid-flight engine explosion, United Airlines Flight 328. On February 20, 2021, United Airlines Flight 328, which was bound for Hawaii, suffered a catastrophic engine failure shortly after takeoff from Denver International Airport. The explosion of the right engine resulted in a massive fire and visible debris falling to the ground, which was witnessed by residents in the nearby communities. Despite the serious damage, the flight crew managed to maintain control of the aircraft and initiated an emergency landing back at Denver International Airport. The pilots and crew remained calm throughout the situation, maintaining communication with air traffic control and declaring an emergency. Fortunately, no one was injured, and the flight safely landed at Denver without further incident. Investigations revealed that the engine failure was caused by 2 fractured fan blades. This incident prompted the FAA to issue a directive that led to a comprehensive inspection of engines on similar aircraft, underscoring the critical importance of preventative maintenance, rigorous safety checks, and the training of flight crews for emergency scenarios. Human error in the sky. A passenger opens the emergency exit. On May 26, 2023, an Asiana Airlines Airbus A321 was preparing to descend into Daegu, South Korea, when an unusual and alarming event occurred. A 33-year-old passenger, who was reportedly struggling with anxiety and believed the cabin lacked enough oxygen, opened the emergency exit while the plane was still in the air. This created panic among the other passengers, who feared that the plane was experiencing some sort of catastrophic failure. Fortunately, the aircraft was at a low altitude, and no one was injured. The flight crew acted quickly to contain the situation, and the plane was able to land safely. Following the incident, Asiana Airlines decided to implement additional precautions, such as suspending the sale of seats near emergency exits to prevent similar situations in the future. This incident highlights the importance of security and vigilance in ensuring that all passengers adhere to safety protocols and the potential consequences of human error in high-stress situations. Mechanical failure leads to fire on a Southwest Airlines flight. On August 19, 2023, Southwest Airlines Flight 7227, a Boeing 747, was forced to return to Houston, Texas, shortly after taking off en route to Cancun, Mexico, when one of its engines caught fire. As the plane ascended, flames became visible beneath the wing of the right engine, prompting the crew to declare an emergency and begin the process of safely returning to Houston. The passengers on board were understandably terrified, with one even capturing the moment on video as the fire continued to burn. Despite the frightening circumstances, the pilots and crew remained calm and executed an emergency landing. Thanks to their quick actions, the aircraft was safely brought back to the ground, and all passengers were transferred to another plane. The incident was later determined to be caused by a mechanical failure in one of the engine components, and Southwest Airlines initiated a review of its maintenance procedures to prevent future occurrences. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of flight crew training in managing emergencies and the critical nature of aircraft maintenance. Mid-flight shaking, AirAsia X flight experience. On June 21, 2017, AirAsia X Flight 217, flying from Perth, Australia to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, experienced an unsettling episode that left passengers on edge. The aircraft began shaking violently mid-flight, with loud noises emanating from the engines. For over an hour, the aircraft experienced intense vibrations, and the pilot, to ease the tension, requested that passengers pray. The shaking caused widespread fear, with many passengers uncertain about the cause or the safety of the flight. Despite the alarming circumstances, the aircraft safely returned to Perth, and investigations revealed that the shaking was caused by a malfunction in one of the engine components. The airline's safety protocols and the captain's ability to stay calm were credited with preventing a more serious outcome. The incident highlighted the importance of pilot training and managing complex situations, as well as the need for rigorous inspections and maintenance to ensure aircraft safety. A passenger's disruptive behavior. Who's in the wrong? Air travel sometimes brings out the worst behavior in passengers, as evidenced by a peculiar incident that occurred on a flight when a young girl became frustrated by a passenger's long hair hanging over the back of her seat, obstructing her view of the in-flight entertainment system. After complaining to no avail, the girl decided to retaliate by sticking chewing gum into the hair of the passenger in front of her. The incident quickly went viral after a video of the altercation surfaced online, sparking heated debates about who was at fault. Was the girl wrong for the gum stunt, or was the passenger inconsiderate for not addressing the issue sooner? Some argued that the girl acted impulsively, while others noted the responsibility of passengers to respect one another's space. Ultimately, this event raised awareness of the importance of proper etiquette in shared spaces like aircraft cabins, highlighting how small annoyances can escalate into disruptive behavior. Strange paranormal sightings during flight. In a truly bizarre and unexplainable incident, a passenger on a flight to Australia captured a photograph of a mysterious humanoid figure hovering just outside the aircraft's window. The figure appeared to be looking directly into the plane, which immediately sparked a wave of speculation. Some believed it was an alien, while others suggested it could be a supernatural presence. The passenger who took the photograph described the figure as a guardian angel, claiming that when their eyes met, the turbulence that had been shaking the plane stopped instantly. Though many skeptics dismissed the story as an optical illusion or a trick of the light, the incident remains one of the most puzzling and discussed occurrences in aviation history. The idea of paranormal events in the sky, especially involving figures appearing out of nowhere, continues to intrigue both believers and critics. Whether it was a coincidence or something truly otherworldly, the story of the mysterious figure has captured the imaginations of many. Ghostly apparitions at an airport. Phuket International Airport, a lesser-known but frequently busy hub, became the center of strange occurrences that have left many questioning the realm of the supernatural. Several witnesses, including passengers and airport staff, reported seeing ghostly figures disembarking from an invisible airplane that appeared out of thin air. The figures, described as semi-transparent and ethereal, were said to move calmly through the terminal before disappearing. Some suggested they were the spirits of passengers from aircraft that had been involved in past accidents, while others argued they were simply optical illusions or figments of an overactive imagination. Airport officials, however, refused to comment on the matter, fueling even more speculation and theories about the ghostly sightings. The stories from Phuket have sparked debates about whether these experiences were the result of optical phenomena, psychological factors, or something far more mysterious, leaving many to wonder if the airport is haunted by lingering spirits. A bird's unexpected flight, nature's stowaway. In a lighter, more humorous moment, a video surfaced showing a pigeon perched on the wing of an airplane as it prepared for takeoff. The bird, seemingly unbothered by the aircraft's speed, appeared to be enjoying a free ride while the plane began its ascent. As the plane accelerated down the runway, the wind from the jet stream caused the pigeon to be blown off the wing, cutting its brief adventure short. Although the bird was not harmed and its journey ended there, the moment served as a reminder of the unpredictable and sometimes whimsical aspects of air travel. The pigeon's surprise ride sparked smiles among those who witnessed it, but it also raised questions about the safety and security of airports, as birds can occasionally be a hazard to aircraft. Still, the brief encounter provided a moment of levity amid the seriousness of air travel. The surprise visitor, a bat on an Air India flight. In May 2021, a flight from Delhi to Newark, New Jersey, took a strange turn when passengers aboard an Air India flight were startled by an unexpected visitor, a bat. The small mammal appeared in the cabin mid-flight, causing alarm among the passengers, some of whom were frightened by the uninvited guest. The crew acted quickly, ensuring the safety of the passengers and attempting to contain the situation. Given the concern over hygiene and the potential spread of disease, the captain decided to make an emergency landing in Delhi to allow the situation to be dealt with properly. Once the aircraft landed, the passengers were transferred to another plane, and the aircraft was thoroughly sanitized. While the encounter was unsettling for many, it added a humorous twist to the flight and highlighted the unpredictability of air travel. The incident also drew attention to the occasional disruptions that can occur when wildlife makes its way into the cabin, reminding travelers and airlines of the need to stay alert to even the most unusual of occurrences. These incidents remind us that air travel, while generally safe, can sometimes take unpredictable and astonishing turns. The unexpected can occur at any moment, whether due to mechanical failures, human actions, or even nature's surprises. From miraculous emergency landings to unusual passenger behavior, these stories are a testament to the resilience and quick thinking that keeps us safe in the skies. Stay tuned for more incredible stories that explore the mysteries of air travel.